Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Science and Humanities Department, and subject is English. 311 is a subject code. So let's start. Phonetics Unit 2 IPA यानी International Phonetic Alphabets. Transcription, we have already gone through the transcriptions. Introduction to different accents. Now today we are going to start from phonetics. Phonetics is about the physical production and perception of sounds of speech. It is the study of physical aspects of speech. It studies all possible speech sounds. Phonetics is all about studying the sounds we make when we talk. It depends on only sounds कि आपको जो वर्ड बोल रहे हैं उसका साउंड कैसा कैसा आ रहा है, it depends on that. So phonetics is all about studying the sounds we make when we talk. Phonetics from the Greek word phone. It derived from the Greek word phone meaning sound or voice. It is a branch of linguistics that comprises the study of the sounds and their production. Phonetics, it is a branch of linguistics that comprises the study of the sounds. Phonetics is the study of sounds and their production. Organs of speech. We gone through all the organs of speech: lips, teeth, tongue, alveolar ridge, hard palate, velum, uvula, and glottis. These are the organs of speech. Lips, the upper lip and lower lip help to produce bilabial sounds p, b, m. If they are held together, the sounds produced in that position are bilabial sounds. So stop p, b, p, b. If the lips are held together, they produce different vowels. Lips. Teeth, the tip of the tongue helps to produce t, d, z. The blade of the tongue helps to produce ch, d integration. The front of the tongue helps to produce palatal sound j, and the back of the tongue helps to produce k and g sounds. Teeth, you can see in the picture also which sounds it produces. Tongue, with its wide variety of possible movements, it assists in forming the sounds of speech. Tongue. Alveolar ridge, hard ridge behind upper front teeth. Alveolar ridge is a hard ridge behind upper front teeth. Upper front teeth के पीछे alveolar ridge है. It is between the roof of the mouth and the upper teeth. ये कहाँ पर है? It is between the roof of the mouth and the upper teeth also. Alveolar ridge ये है. You can see in the picture. It is directly show where it is alveolar ridge. Hard palate also known as the roof of the mouth. Hard palate also known as the roof of the mouth. Hard palate, it is the picture of the hard palate. ये है hard palate का picture. Hard palate. These all are the organs of speech. They works well. Velum, the soft palate is movable, consisting of muscle fibers strengthened in mucous membranes. It is responsible for closing of the nasal passages during the act of swallowing and also for closing of the airway. So velum, the task of velum is also more important. वेलम इट ऑल्सो नोन एज सॉफ्ट पैलेट। सॉफ्ट पैलेट ये रहा, ये लास्ट में है, ये रहा सॉफ्ट पैलेट, दिस इज कॉल्ड सॉफ्ट पैलेट, और दिस इज कॉल्ड वेलम। वेलम, VELUM, velum. Uvula, the loose hanging end of the soft palate. Uvula, it is the loose hanging end of soft palate. Uvula, this is called uvula. Uvula. Picture में you can see directly. Glottis, it assists in forming the buzzing sounds. G and G and J. Glottis. Glottis ये यहाँ पर है, glottis. Phonetic transcription, it is the visual representation of speech sounds. Yeah, phonetic is a visual representation of speech sounds. The most common type of phonetic transcription uses a phonetic alphabet is the International Phonetic Alphabet. So, the most common type of phonetic transcription uses a phonetic alphabet is the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. IPA vowels, these are the IPA vowels. Mon, बुन, बाइच, बेट, जो अंडरलाइन वर्ड है उसमें ही चेंजेस हो रहे हैं। लुक एट हियर, दीज आर द फोनेटिक ट्रांसक्रिप्शंस के साइंस है, एंड ये वर्ड में कैसे शूट हुए। ये वर्ड में पिट, तो देखिए ये पिट में कैसे शूट हुए। पैट तो ये बीच में आएगा, लाइक दैट, मिडल में आएगा पैट, पॉट, बट, मध, बिन, बर्न, बार, बॉर्न, बून, पच, बीट, बॉय, यानी कि टू, टॉय, हाउस, ईयर, आर। These are the IPA vowels. IPA diphthongs most important. IPA diphthongs में 2 साइंस आएगी। फोनेटिक ट्रांसक्रिप्शंस की 2 साइंस आएगी। फेस, जैसे कि फेस 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ये IPA सिंपल्स के डिप्थोंग्स की 2 साइंस है। फेस, EI, AI, लाइक दैट, फेस, प्राइस, चॉइस। आपको न बीच में ही रखना है, एन और आर रखना है, बस हो गया। नियर, स्वा, स्क्वायर, वॉट, माउथ, डिप्थोंग्स मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, फेस, price, choice, near, square. Where there are 2 transcriptions of word, it is called diphthongs. वो 8 है, so 12 are monophthongs. Mouth, poor. IPA consonants, ये IPA consonants है, ये है सबकी साइंस। कॉन्सोनेंट्स की साइंस ये सब है, पी, प, ब, ट, ड, क, जी, एफ, थीटा। दिस तो TH का ये है सिम्बल्स, एस, जेड का ये है शिप का इंटीग्रेशन, निज, हन, च, टी इंटीग्रेशन, जज, एम, एन, एन, जी, आई, आर, डब्ल्यू, एन, जे। दीज आर द IPA कॉन्सोनेंट्स के साउंड। ये उसके आपको IPA कॉन्सोनेंट्स के साइंस पता होनी चाहिए कि विच साइंस वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इन IPA कॉन्सोनेंट्स। थैंक यू वेरी मच डियर ऑल।